Oopbuy tutorial, basically how to use Oopbuy. So first of all, Oopbuy is an online platform that simplifies purchasing products from US and international stores that doesn't normally ship to your location. So when you sign up for Oopbuy, you're assigned a personal US shipping address. You can then shop from any participating store, and then you can enter your Oopbuy address at checkout. So with that, you can have the item shipped there first. So Oopbuy acts as your intermediary. So once your package arrives at their facility, you can choose additional services such as consolidation, combining multiple packages, repacking, and international forwarding to your home country, so often at competitive rates. So to use this in general, you can go ahead and start by creating an account. In the top right, there's a sign up option, and once you have your account created, you can go ahead and log in. So when shopping online, you can enter that address at checkout and select your preferred shipping address or shipping method. So over here is the main section. So if you have your product name or link, you can go ahead and copy paste it over here and just go ahead and press on search. There's also images over here. You can input an image or import an image, and they will basically just search it for you, and you can just go ahead and choose from the available options. They also have the mall over here, which is another direct way to buy more stuff. But after Oopbuy receives your package, you'll get a notification in your Oopbuy dashboard where you can manage delivery preferences. You can request consolidation with other items you've ordered and pay for international shipping. So once everything is ready, Oopbuy will forward the package to your chosen international address, and you can track its status until delivery. So have all your details ready, your payment methods, and your process should just go smoothly. But that's a little tutorial, or basically a little explanation on how Oopbuy works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.